In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're organizing files or simply want to personalize your documents, renaming a PDF in Acrobat can make a big difference in how effectively you manage your digital files. Let's walk through this simple process together. First, you'll want to start at your homepage within Adobe Acrobat. From here, go ahead and open the PDF file whose name you wish to change. Now, if you have a lot of documents, you might want to use the search or navigate feature to find it quickly. Once you've found it, click on it to bring it up within the main workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Now that your PDF is open, direct your attention to the menu bar. If you're like most people, you might often overlook what these menus can offer, but today, they're our best friend. Click on the menu option, and from the drop-down list that appears, you'll want to select Document Properties. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these tools as they provide valuable settings that help manage your document attributes efficiently. After you've selected Document Properties, a dialog box will appear with various tabs and options. You'll see one labeled Description. Click on it, as this is where we're going to make the actual change. Under this Description tab, you'll notice a field marked Title. The text you see here is the current name associated with your PDF file. Simply click into the title field, delete the existing name, and type in your preferred new name for the document. Be sure that the new name is both appropriate and descriptive, as this not only helps you, but also others who may access the document later. Now that you've successfully changed the PDF's title, the final step is to confirm these changes. Make sure you've typed the new name correctly, then look for the OK button, usually located at the bottom of the dialog box. Click OK to save your changes and exit out of the Document Properties window. By doing this, you've successfully altered the internal title property of your PDF document. It's worth mentioning that this change updates the title for metadata purposes, which is helpful for organization, and when you're performing searches within Adobe Acrobat or other PDF management software. It's like giving your file a new identity that's more aligned with its purpose or content. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to change a PDF's name using Adobe Acrobat. This seemingly small task can significantly enhance your file organization and accessibility. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day managing your documents.